The following demonstration is for the proper assembly of the REED FPV-20 Field Pipe Vise. Cut 4 pieces of 1.5 inch or 48 millimeter diameter pipe, each 40 inches or 1,015 millimeters long for the legs, and 1 piece 6 feet or 1.83 meters long for the backbone. For pipe jack stability, REED recommends using Schedule 40 steel pipe. The legs and backbone are also available from REED. Slip the chain vise base onto the backbone, clamping it onto the pipe about 15 inches or 380 millimeters from one end by tightening the 2 bolts. Next, slip a leg frame over each end of the backbone with the window in each leg socket facing outward. Lay the backbone on the floor or ground upside down and put a pipe leg in each socket. Make sure that each pipe leg bottoms out in the socket. It is helpful to assemble this vise upside down with the V's resting on the floor or ground. In this setup, the 2 leg frames and the pipe clamp then automatically line up. Tighten the threaded knob or bolt in each leg frame to clamp the entire assembly together. If the leg angles need a little adjustment once the vise is upright, slightly loosen the knob or bolt and gently lift the backbone just a bit. Adjust the legs and retighten the knob or bolt. Both legs must bottom in their sockets or the assembly will not be solid. Turn the pipe stand to an upright position and put the feet on the lower end of the pipe legs, aligning them so they sit flat on the floor. Clamp them in this position with the bolts. The pipe stand is now ready for use. For use on extremely soft or muddy ground, the feet may be placed on a 5-foot or 1.53 meter piece of plank, front and back, and nailed in position through the nail holes provided in the sockets. When the pipe stand has to be taken apart and transported, merely loosen the knobs or bolts and clamp the legs in the frames. Remove the 4 legs and place them in the V's, securing them to the rest of the stand with the chain pipe clamp. The entire assembly can now be carried as one compact bundle.